Safwan bin Yala bin Munabbih reports from his father that a man came to the Prophet ﷺ at Jirana. The man was wearing a robe with some scent or a yellow impression on it. He asked, "Tell me, what should I do in Umrah, minor pilgrimage?" The reporter says, the revelation descended on the Prophet ﷺ at that time. So he ﷺ was covered with a cloth. Hazrat Yala radiyallahu anhu says, "It was my yearning desire to see the state of Allah's Apostle ﷺ when he was being blessed with the revelation." Hazrat Umar radiyallahu anhu said to me, "Do you wish to see the state of Allah's Apostle ﷺ when he is being blessed with revelation?" Saying it, Hazrat Umar radiyallahu anhu removed an edge of the cloth. I looked at Allah's Apostle ﷺ, and he ﷺ was snoring then. The reporter says that the voice was like a camel's snores. When the state terminated, he ﷺ said, "Where is the man who was asking about Umrah?" and said, "Wash the yellow mark or the impression of the perfume off. Take off the robe and do in your Umrah the same what you do in your Hajj." Sahih Muslim Hadith number 2790.